guys, it's your girl Tina here. Welcome to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel. Today I've got a bunch of viral TikTok beauty hacks I'll be testing out. Now don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel, and remember to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future uploads. The first one I have is this 3-minute Gouache Massage. She's using oil or serum and water for slip. I'm gonna use the Aurelia London Cell Repair Night Oil and the Rose Quartz Gua Sha. So I'm gonna mix my oil with a little bit of water, and then I'm starting with like a neck and chest massage to open up the lymphatic system. That's gonna help drain like the fluid. And then I'm gonna spread a layer over my face so then it'll create slip when I use the Gua Sha. So I'll just copy her movements. She starts off with her jaw, and then she starts doing like a little jiggle at the end. And then she does like longer strokes using the side. For the eyes, she does this kind of like pressing motion. And then she does her whole face and drains it like downwards down her neck. And then she does a bit of like a hand massage. She's so quick, it's hard to follow. I need a slow version of this. Okay, so I'm done with the 3-minute massage. This is what my face is looking like. I definitely feel a lot more lifted on this side of my face, and you can kind of tell like my brows are a little bit more lifted too. So I do really like her technique. It was just interesting to see her use water combined with oil. I would just normally go in with like an oil or a heavy cream or serum. Also, I do like the fact that she like finishes it off with her fingers. Normally I just go in with the Gua Sha and that's it, but I think like once you kind of just smooth and lift everything with the fingers and go in and massage everything, it does feel a lot nicer. Let me quickly do the other side off camera so I can even at my face. This next hack looks really cool to do, and it involves your micellar water. So I've got the same micellar water. She's using the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. I'm gonna grab myself a cotton pad. I really don't know if this is gonna work, but let's just pop some on my pad. And then she blows on it. Oh my God, it works. It totally works. Dude, that's so cool. Guys, look. Turn your micellar into like a foam micellar water. That's so cool. Now you can have like a foam cleanser. I didn't actually think that would work, guys. I'm actually amazed. Am I just like easily amused? I wonder if it will work with any other like micellar water. So try it out yourself, guys. I'm pretty sure you'll have these at home, so give it a go because it works. For some reason I feel like my skin feels a lot cleaner. You know, usually when you use micellar water, I feel like I have to do it a couple times, but the foam and the bubbles, I feel like it really helps lift up all that dirt and oil and debris. This next TikTok really sold me on this primer, the NYX Marshmallow Primer.
NYX just launched their new Marshmallow Primer, $17. This primer has the most claims of any primer I've ever seen. I had to write them down. The magic ingredient in here, marshmallow root. Just placing it on 4 sections of my face, and I'm gonna start blending it in. First impression, my skin feels really soft, very smooth, ready for foundation. I think my skin looks incredible. Try this out, I'm serious.
So let me quickly just pump out a bit of this. You can use this alone or under your foundation. It's a very bouncy, creamy mousse-like texture. Oh my god, it smells so good. I want to eat it. Oh my god, it smells like candy. I don't know what marshmallows smell like, but this smells better than that. Okay, let's just pop some on my skin and we'll see how it looks without foundation first. Give that a good massage. Off the bat, it feels very hydrating. Oh my god, it's giving me like glass skin, guys. Oh, it's giving me a very nice glowy, smooth texture, but it doesn't feel like a silicone primer. You know, those ones that fill in the pores. It's definitely not like that. This is more on the hydrating end. I'm just in love with how it smells, guys. It smells so good and it makes my skin look a lot healthier and more youthful already. I'm liking how this is looking on my skin as is. To be honest, on those no makeup days, you can just pop this on and have that really healthy glow. But let's just see how it looks with foundation. Now I actually want to try another hack that I found for foundation.
I know you guys are used to using this for like massaging your face and all of that good stuff, but have you ever tried blending your foundation? It's just evenly distributing that product. That way you're going to use less product and you're going to get a fuller coverage.
I'm going to take it to the next level and actually use my ice roller. This has like a bigger surface area, so I'm hoping it will just be quicker to blend my foundation in. This one is from Brushworks. So I'm just going to apply the foundation on, and I'm not going to put a lot because the roller is obviously not going to absorb the foundation. Then I'm just going to go in and like blend it out. I kind of feel like I'm ironing my face out with this. Just smoothing all those lines. I'll tell you what, I feel like it's hard to get an even blend with this. Like it's hard to spread the foundation out. Like, do you guys see that? Like it's all concentrated here where I applied it. So I'm trying to bring it up, but it's not blending as well. It's not like spreading as well, sorry. Though the roller does feel quite nice, relaxing and soothing on my face, but foundation wise, I think like it'd be easier to use a sponge, honestly guys, because you'll get an even coverage because the sponge will pick up a little bit of it and you can transfer it to another spot. Whereas this, unless you use a lot more foundation, I guess like, you know, you're literally kind of almost paint rolling your face with this. It's patchy, guys. I'm not like a big fan of this. I think this is a flop for me. I think I'm gonna stick to using this as a face massager. This is a really bizarre way to fill in your eyebrows. I really don't know how it works, but somehow it works. So I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade 4.5. Okay, here goes nothing. So I'm going to start off at the front of my brows and like draw a line down diagonally and then go back up. And I think she like aims for the arch and then back down to where like I want my tail to be. That looks so weird, guys. I don't know. And then she just connects like the edges, like for the top and then the bottom. Followed by some hair-like strokes. Oh, that was really bad. That's not very hair-like, is it? And then using the spoolie side, she just blends that all in. Give it a brush. It actually works. How? I mean, what was the point? I don't understand, but it works. Oh, are you guys just as confused as I am? How did this just work? What the hell? Look, I can't fault this one, okay? It's a weird way to fill in your eyebrows, but look at the results. Pretty good. It works. I don't know how. I just did it and it works. Can I get it even by doing it? Okay, so start. Let's do it again. Down, up, towards, up, towards. Oh God, that was the worst line. Hair-like strokes. Not really hair-like. This side looks so bad, guys. Spoolie brush, 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 brush. Not bad. I just feel like I need a little bit more depth just around some bits, but it works. How? Apparently this is a way to find your perfect lip shade.
Perfect lip shade will be your eyebrow liner, your eyebrow pencil lining your lip, and then whatever you use for blush on the middle of your lip, and then a gloss. It will always be the perfect lip shade.
So I'm going to use the same eyebrow pencil I used before from Benefit. For blush, I'm using the Pixie On The Glow blush in Juicy. So let's go ahead and line my lip. Hello 90s vibe. Pop on my blush. Give that a quick blend and dab with my finger. And then I'm gonna pop on my Pixie Collagen lip gloss on top. How did that turn out? Once it's blended, like the brow pencil kind of just looks like a natural shadow I have on my lips. So they look a little bit more juicy and contoured. It's like my lip color, but better. You know what I mean? MLBB, my lips but better. I like this one, you guys should try it out. This next TikTok shows you the best mascara technique. She's showing us the do's and don'ts when it comes to applying mascara. So instead of pressing the curler once when you're curling your lashes, do it 3 to 4 times. Opt for a waterproof mascara. Instead of keeping the eye open, close the eye and apply the mascara just on the tips only. Okay, so let's try this out. I'm going to use the correct way that she showed us. So curling my lashes a couple of times, giving it a couple pumps. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Sky High Mascara in Very Black. This is the hard part. I feel like I always keep my eyes open for this, but I'm gonna try with my eyes closed and just do the tip. Oh, you see how I have like no lashes? And then now I have some decent lashes. Ooh, this is only the first coat as well. She does 2 coats. I'm gonna do the second coat real quick. Ooh, what? What just happened, guys? What just happened? Oh, I really like this technique. Usually I would go from the root and really work it in there and then try to drag up the rest of my lashes. But I think when you just do the tip only, maybe the roots don't weigh down so it holds the curl better. And look, I have lashes. I have lashes. I can be one of those like lash models now for the like a Maybelline commercial. All right, that's a must try, guys. That's a must try. It's just like a simple way to tweak how you apply your mascara and it changes it. Game changer. I'm gonna quickly do this side. I'm just impressed. I'm impressed, guys. This girl knows what she's talking about. I am loving how this technique just transformed my itty bitty lashes to these. Voila. I can't stop looking at my lashes, guys. That's all the TikTok beauty hacks I had for you guys today. I'm actually really impressed because almost all of them worked pretty well on me. So go give it a go, try it out for yourself, and who knows, maybe you'll be pleasantly surprised like me. That's it to this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Thanks for watching. I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye!